nandito po kayong lahat, rain or shine, inantay nyo hanggang dulo. Although, hindi ko talaga na-achieve yung gusto namin. Pero, this is still our special day. Hindi, dahil sa inyo, kasi nandito kayong lahat. And, of course, I wanna thank God kasi naitaguyod pa rin natin to ng matiwasay, maayos, and I feel so loved by all the people here. And syempre, bukod po doon, bukod sa mga taong nandito sa loved ones namin, we wanna thank our suppliers. Of course, nakita niyo SDE, napakagaling nung photo and video po namin. And syempre, ang aming laban na laban, coordinator, yan. And of course, our host, napakagaling. And syempre, catering na taste nyo naman po lahat masasarap, walang tapon. And lastly, of course, sa nagpaganda sa akin. At nagpapogi sa group, yung makeup artist. And ayun, all in all, thankful ako sa lahat ng nandito. Hindi ko man lahat personally kilala. At least, alam ko, mahal na mahal nyo kami. Thank you!
Wow! Grabe yun. Thank you so much. Joan and Anna. Once again, for the last time, let's give a big hand for our newlywed. Grabe. And before we end this night, syempre, ulitin ko na ulit, pasalamatan natin ating mga suppliers for making this event possible. Yan sa ating photos and videos, sound system, and if you're looking for a good execution ng inyong mga events, just kindly